special good evening to you wherever you are watching us from. It's a Friday and welcome you to Coastal TV. Yenju mezino oye Kasa nkomo twetwe a nnenyumbre yebehia na yatwe nkomo yahwe kona ebe fada guaman na Ghana manyina yezi yenze boboa ma omani wafa ne tempa efra ne daminti nnenyumbre yesingwa wo oye Coastal TV Kasa jumezido na nyi watwe nkomo na yamo akonya na woso akere wadwen na mo be anyina kona ebe fada oguaman no man Ghana botumpon na ya dwendwen ho na nnenyumbre tiramanira yaka yakire wonno yanyi oye Ghana National Fire Service na yenyon bezi mpunempu wo dwumezido na wa chen wonjumezi potia wozi wo oye wonasoye oye Ghana National Fire Service ya nbrepi no amanfodo na ho oya ibinu wo ho woni dwumezi no wonhyeda wontase nti nne ebia questions bia odaho ebutum ebisa no ebegina wanem na yebisa akonye da ho so a ya ma wo so kwan na ebisa questions a ohia oboboa ma oye fire service yebobo mo nso wonjumezi no wa hyemu kana na waza aboa yentima mfuma yenso so yenya ho mfaso mizenze dani ABAWANA your regular host na oye in the youngest a yembo twonkomo oye ADO1 assistant divisional officer 1 Albert CUDJOE in your oye 2IC in charge of fire safety another or fire safety department wo Elmina anambwa inyo no wo Elmina wana soya owo Elmina ono na nyumbri yensa aka no wo na soya ha ayen ne babo twonkomo na yebisa nsam ekoro anada ebien ozefa oye fire service dumezi no mbre no okọ kakra nti yen check yebakọ no Chen Street na yama na akwaba na nkomotwetwe no eza atwedo na yebisa fire service ankasa yumeza wozi wo ho aba zepotin na oye ayentimemfo no oda yehu fa oye won edwumezi ho na yen so sa yetimemfo no ye na asaze ofan oye fire service won edwumezi no onye mohin ne nyina nnenwumbre obekire mu na yehu kona nyina ye bobo ma dwumezi no wezim papa ope ya mo akwa abaze ba Coastal TV do
yeah
was one ko sampa
sampa na
enya oye ye hwe oye Ghana National Fire Service waka Ghana National Fire Service a obi wo ho izino onte da monima nde asoya wodumja dodu na asema ya wokan na mum ye fere ejina dwumaku na name na ekire waka Ghana National Fire Service a wo ya baze ewiesa na chen won mandate dwumazi potia wozi wo na asoye ma enyina yehu na ya tase
ndase amda damba Kenya bankuma sampa amda ya Ghana National Fire Service mkanda odumjaku yo Ghana ha oye aban watwa aban oshado Central Academy nda before Ghana National Fire Service wo answer no we bobazen na ya wasafu companies na no kaka hona za obiara wa form on fire
okay
wodu monija enya eko gapo ha ho so on fire wodu monija na some individual institutions wodu monija but no man ngese na nyi oye fire department they be kada Ghana National Fire Service ya abanshada all for a man hina enya nti nkomodi na da azukukod no se dey kafa wakafa broni be afra GS leader
okay
I friend British expatriate when you know be na obey assessment na ze ohwe dam fragmented fire department na ze asafu company for yinum wo na ze ya no honda no there is a need that say there o manangsa no what Ghana National Fire Service abotumu ha ntano no nkomodizi water service no koda na fi currently yo mbra Ghana yankse ya oye Act 537
okay
Osha Ghana National I am bra Ghana National Fire Service was it way nti ya no botai yenjumezi yezi hina no ojina this Act 537 no do parliament where there I am bra was it to Ghana National Fire Service na yan mandate in there is to manage and prevent undesired fires
okay
but before the Act 537 or babazino and there's another Act 219 it was solely about firefighting
okay
but in the prevention aspect in Nti Act 537 no be shame Canada. Now, yamfa prevention aspect in your funka more. Nti yan tram jano ntansa na mom ose dey for corner able to me ya na ya da. Yes abo ya ho yesu ano kona ansa even wesi. Nti so sisa na chede ye won kofo ho a orboko. Na was it told Ghana National Fire Service wa bobaza up to now. Nti Act 537 1997. And yabaka de auto Ghana National Fire Service.
Oh, okay.
Inti Ghana National Fire Service ya oman nankasa no ne odum jakua oye friend that abana
watwa this abana washado.
Now onye one company bi ne ze another
ankonkubiala oye oman ne jumoku a oman na washado. Nti wona akazi na won bibiala wozi won bia no ya oman asaze de wọ́n dẹ̀ mí nzàmẹ́ nyinaa wọ́n ma wọ́n saka ama wọ́n etum wọ́n ezi wọ́n ní dwumadzi a ɔsɛ ozi. Okay. Ne dɛm nti yɛn hwɛ wɔn okay nti ewia.
Nti dɛm a yɛn dwumadzi a ɛmda yɛn dwumadzi na yɛzi na ɛmda bisa na so ka wɔn a.
Okay nyɔ na functions no.
Yes nyɔ functions. Nti ɛbɛ Ghana National Fire Service a nkɔfo bebree wɔ nyim dɛ yen jumazi yezin kutin yi dumja. Yes, jadum ni yan main objective or the yan the yan function.
Okay.
Da ye dumja. But ye nzama bebre ka ho a am there se memufo no wonim. Nti beka bibi se da me prevention aspect. The first one in there. One, fire service yakuye education in aze. Yako schools, yako institutions, hospitals, banks, and other businesses na aze anyone kadum komo. Ya church hon ija akona ija fadoba.
Okay.
And the need to prevent these fires. Nti ye public education. Ye the hazards of fire and how we can also prevent ourselves from fire outbreaks. Nti your education your department where the main education yezema oyetimem phone. And your aside education so no your inspection of building plans.
Okay.
In your answer na obiara basic done organ hano. Yes, or said municipal assembly. Another assembly na biara na sibia na kadan aka permit. Na permit no na assembly no bo ho there. Ana fi chronologically out why ni na be be sudan. Abanzama no ho wo so ko ho a ba dan. Obey another baby erikesi no or the hobby baba no for home. That is what the assembly will look at.
Okay.
Into your physical planning committee or assembly where the committee no fire for so hobby.
Okay. Fire for the committee no.
Yes.
I never knew this. Meaning that there say this is done or the fire for over assessment.
Yes.
And so Ninde was in the you permit and watch it. You're crying.
And you're into permit in engine no mono. Yanzen or hobby.
Okay.
And you're into
okay.
Answer and your partners in the building plan as a bar. I said, then so you're the building plan and there's a drop, you be a friend of fire plan.
Okay.
Down fire plan or not, say, or show there. A done and a young fat exit him to her. Baby, I wire there's a door you bought or you safer. No, the mudo yin fiani phone ha. Oh, would the nearest Abu was a tiny osa. Said Dom do I over them ho. The number of occupants over them what the air. Said Dom do the mean over them what a timer. Then Abu Yeri Numusa. Okay, yan gate. Ayan sa either the yan swing, another rolling door, another whatever door. Inti fire service for na budget and plan and ya bibia and then fire extinguishers also door smoke detectors also door and emergency exit bia also danger bia no yan so yaje wo plan na yes design the plan and yes more there this dan na yanidami ha socket as bobo danam e bia wo plan as bed no socket no obobo windows ase ye mu Ghana ha bebre no ma ye hu there obia yesi anda na lay curtains attention to the window.
Yeah.
And the curtains will drop down the socket.
Yeah.
So curtains will drop down the socket no. A plug as socket no. Nti say yes na dam no socket no peja.
Obaka.
Onam the curtains no sana one nti no. curtains are they are easily they spread fire easily. Until the moment the fire gets hold of the curtains, the whole place will be set ablaze. Until you're sure there in the plan and among sockets, mama on show window I say sockets on Kaha, until said, "Hey, the me hina we are." And in here you approve the side more. Then assembly so one side the room no why am on was open it.
Okay.
Until yane plan as I'm on the air there. Ebe use nezesi eri si udana ebe follow the munda me hina as I am a debina assumption in baby abafa I don't know there is enough gates and doors or what about me pui ha nse the main hina na that yes building plans and I feel so another major in the rescue. Okay. Ha then about fire service about the fire and rescue service. Ha you find accident AC major accident. Even accident, yeah, there are people involved. Casualties. It is a fire service that you rescue them in coffee. Yes, you call the police, but the first point of call should be the Ghana National Fire Service because of their lives at risk. Okay. Our men are trained on even first aid, and an extrication. See our equipment are usable to check now, Senyon Shahina and Poyetum and Ye Nephew. We know how to handle casualties. Most of the accidents also say Uncle Fubrino were disabled and other number of it is about how we handle these casualties. Okay. If you want to be a somebody see no work on the spine. On Saturday, you shake in Panama, Abia spine about more than what is another way. There is another safe means of fire for your back. You're able to hear them. Yashin ye the minimum pacone in NATO a stretcher there or some dreamer. Uncle Pra, I'm a say Odu hospital. Doctor and small said, you know, why yakon. Okay. Until we offer this rescue, until when the major flood in OCC as in a fire for no hobby. No one was a years in him now. Ye rescue for one else that he has a lines now. Years you want here. Until rescue so. And I feel so we train fire volunteers our communities, villages in Anonka Kawanazam. There is another department here from rural fires department. Okay. One work on crossing no one's work training. On forward to when we go pedal by fire volunteer squad. Until the monk from your training one said they be assembly. It will village one say be a fire for young Ben Honon. One they will be the first point of call. They will serve as watchdogs in these communities. Assembly sir. Over from 1 and 10 times no work on work or so on. No 2 months for fire phones. Yeah, but now at least Jan and Chakasa spread also does spread and one spread it up because one or Hawaii. And now, yes, I think so. No institutions be a war fire wardens be no fire service in a train one. Okay. Ha. Yane a labor at Ghana ye use no. I say every institution be no also doing fire fighting equipment on the premises. Okay. Now, if you also do training, staff or the institution who how to use this equipment. But as I got for tired of Mazana. My in there. Fire service here, Ombra, Oman, Oma, Yetum, Oma, and Tum, the Munzame. Into our LI 1724. Okay. And no, so LI 1724 no. Ma obo here my in there omo hentum e ma yako the institutions in as in ya kaka one banks are telco banks are going to want to extinguish us fire alarm system yibo any place of business biara nkofo ko biara no work transact business biara no I omana and there I said there inya firefighting equipment ho na train won nkofo no so fire for ye na dwumaza yezin. And we also render humanitarian services in Asia. A bit to the COVID-19 bay. Most of our tenders were assigned to COVID-related activities. Maybe our hospital be here so here the me. So they come on because water should be a basic necessity for everyone. This will be but not so here so. That's a national activity business or the fire service here community Kobona. So no damage humanitarian activity. A service and no yeah. Ha. And in terms of fire extinguishers nazi no here na yema advice on the use of fire extinguishers and how you should also maintain these fire extinguishers regularly. So there are so many functions fire service. Or those
as a chain
in your and a firefighting and so
okay. But Coastal TV if you had your war so be we if your technical department if you na about to Munia Ben your ori Nejume na your news department so your morning show for so when you na be our Nejumezi ozi eba wona so ye wa won so departments be different wo ha na won Nejumezi so kwa na won nyina in general put together as fire service and fire fighting
good. Another good question pa timamfun be brain na no I don't know want to mind there ebe fire service sa before be a pen no kodo pedo be fire service no che there jadum kuti na orbe bodum
we so dum ja
nti nyina no ye wo nyina no jam kuti na hiha ye ba yedum ya hwede yegu ha jam kuti na yedum bebre aduna onto enya but fire service is the same as any corporate institution another corporate institution be or function. There is something we call division of labor. Nti ever fire service ndwuma bebre o na department so bebre o ha obiawo za oye. Nti your administration department no eco hospital or hemfa obi o ho. That may hence your obi. Officers wo ho a won so mo ye in there. Administration duties o ye na won so ye. Receiving and dispatching letters na other correspondences na azin na no. Administration free in a way that way. Your another department here from safety department.
Okay.
I want to more. Okay. Yes, in there anapa. If you feel my officer, yes, I need in the next thing that we have to go out. Yeah, in office.
Okay.
Into one
more field workers.
Field workers. Yeah, carry inspection.
Okay.
Obi abaje permit. Odukesinedam. Permit no baje no. Osede guide my dancy no. Or follow no there. We are going to the field to inspect them or anyina. Obi onya or ejuma or operate as a business. Onye fire certificate. Osede ye koye then nimpa no onye fire certificate no. You when your fire certificate. Obi wo fire certificate why expire. Instead of there about in the office. Now one kasa ha ba there ba ye no. Nkofo rumba no wa ba ye. So osede hang say chase one. You to your car, your code, your car, make sure that fire certificate na in renewing, yes, na renew. Business I operate without fire extinguishers, fire certificate, and other no fire protection and fire cover. The law mandates us to shut that institution down because that place is not safe for the public to transact business there. And see, yane jumeze using. Yako out, yako yadamunza mehina. And as a county, every day you see us in hotels, banks, and other institutions, schools. Nazi, yake education so can educating the public on fire safety. That is the safety department in Edma. Now your account department to Sedama institution. Our accounts
department.
Yes. Your officers and men as well. Once a school, Koyabia accountant. They know about account. Nti you want to wash it, you need to kasam. Abandon this scaba. How are you able to use a scan? Most of the was it them, most of the was it them, most of the was it here, them bibiano, once in the wash it, the side. You were a rural fires department. On a Macada, once so no work on crossing, no training, or yeah, in Quafono. And they were training departments and some way in there. They are people they are well trained officers once we go training here. Until every morning there's something we call daily routine duties. Daily routine duties, you know, and the office in the sign was in the way now. The next thing to do is to go and check for the equipment or you know. Until I'm in a hand maybe take over. So then I can check appliance in BBI intact. Second be them the ones so yeah so there so. So there we are ready for the battle. Another any emergency we are ready.
Okay.
The yes, everything is in place. ya yɛ bibia da me wie no then the training department no they will bring the training nti bia nde yebosua dam one will lead na yɛ bibia and ebia azay be no say that you use yeah in the field yeah ko out akaye hina no training department na yɛ why na yɛwɔ say ekɔ yɛ ne office to the Accra the Minazia your legal department and so on.
Okay.
In terms of lawyers na so on so no any issue concerning the service no they take it up in terms of legal issues they take it up. Now your policy plan and monitoring and evaluation. Your officers or so no they look at the policies of the service, how they can plan for the service, monitor our performance against our standards assets, and also see whether there are any deviations. Then they come into what correct through the evaluation mechanism and there are so many departments. The last department in the operations department. One number they are the eye of the service. It is the operations department is the eye of the service. One in Kofanka saw over there will be dumuja. Once in Kofu, they are skillful at that aspect. One was in the Wukudumuja. Okay. It's mostly say but fire service station where you won't there the Munko flyer water na yane appliance no car nchan. Okay. Or any binum pado. In a no cacao. In your office. Okay. One was in there. You're trying to jam waba. You jump by a young crow baby. Yes. It's a standard fire station piano or kitchen. Standard fire station piano or maybe a friend crew room. Okay. Or a whole big place a ban out of beds. Mpana this is why officers over night and as in water. Into the operational men they run shifts. It's every day be a fire station no. Into there wouldn't be any situation where there. You just told me if you make a fire station, be alarm no. I'll see that. Yes. Into one who run a shift every day. One who watch on fire. Into one who move no bodum jar. Operations department in a work. But fireful careful so each other warrior offices in Juma. Oh, okay. And think of everybody in the what's there? Fireful hinani kakrana yidum janana. And to be and a fireful but fire from your dorsal. You know when kakrabin one now bodum jan. Kasana Sophie, it's your worship. Oh, okay. And the department you want to
departments or doors of power. If you want to mention I'm in that, I am okay. I will say a good eye or ye Ghana National Fire Service for Nature or and also Kasa TV ha. And I'm amazing come can amazing the Danny ABAWANA. Ne opinion yansa can ye DO1 Albert CUDJOE on ye 2IC or fire safety department or Elmina on the yansa kana yan chonkomo ewo asoya na yenhwe yeso no na yeto nyumbi was fire is a good servant but it can be a bad master too yatwa is enyin yetse dem performance to na abaze pa potin na oze or ija shishu ozeba and the causes of fire
nti yakada the causes of fire and you can most of the young there say jabota no me basa no here yaka boma also o me ja asa na yeben ja no yihianza me basa broni bakada we need 3 elements to come together at their maximum proportion for us to get fire nti yihia heat a show adi biara yeso a o produce heat bia no obotum wa cause fire. Okay. Nti yana electrical installation na ze wa na ha hina socket na zo ha bia no de bi na ya ho abhwe na bu da socket bi ho no mo open or catch or there should be a generator or socket no why is be inside the work and work aka because of that we start the or create heat nti heat ya one. Okay. And another one so you hear inframa also the yinya inframa or around obotum wa bo ma January do ye. Okay. And the next thing is your fuel. As if you are do be an yes or your fuel. Fuel no bottom wire solid. Bottom wire liquid. Bottom wire gas. The solid fuel be today yane in table papers na rubbers na azin na no. One year from one there they are solid fuels. Okay. and they want liquid fuels. I don't see about the petrol, diesel, turpentine, and I know cacao nazi, alcohol nazi hinano. They are also flammable liquids. What to me what the word jet to my other. And they want gaseous fuels. Butane, methane, propane, and no cacao nazi hinano. Nti the common you see LPG you see or anything ya kitchen nazi hinano. No so no your fuel or what to water. Now, said among the maybe some body. Or your heat, fuel, heat, oxygen and frama. When you now mukra, you find the socket your way. While started there, or open whistle. We generate heat in a warm as and I started or open whistle.
Okay.
The heat in the sheet, rubber no fuel, solid fuel.
Okay.
Into rubber started already heating.
Okay. Rubber
need heat na so heat no to minjinani biwa. It means that rubber will do. Heat in a wagon we do ignition point.
Wow.
At that point no on to menje heat ni bio. Nti mframa kakra bi arabo fam bia no o se do start the o apeja flames. Nti dami na ijabate. Nti dami ngame ba se bomu ba na yetumi eja.
Okay.
Yetumi eja no now yes what are the causes? Ebi o ha you baka the ya negligence ayeye. Ofifie yes. Ana carelessness bibi dam im na azeri obotum ape ozijaba but you are still doing it wo extension board AUC cable odem kakra bi nso na plug wo fridge na adin na wado yes extension board no kra no mananan as wo plug bi adi shema opeja kira wansa wa still na zero room almost wanted but is it you look at the carelessness.
Okay.
You care less about whatever that is happening. But also no bottom is than Ozaba. Okay. And you bottom so yaka the accident. So no to happen. Sometimes ebi anyimpa I don't know and all of a sudden in January than Ozabe. No so no friend. You look at it's another factor. Until you find that nyimpa no yazo kitchen na accidentally bia angwa bi kogu ban na do na humi jesom tamale wa cause no it could be accident and na bia azori no one hu a other than okoy banda yawo oye a friend asan
okay
you obi no so ho wash that what to gen was a show on property that one is a criminal act the Constitution of Ghana another our criminal act no offering on that in the obiara baby bidambiano you can be imprisoned for not less than 15 years.
Okay.
Because asha dan e cost jeza so bi nazim na eden asho no. Nti also or another cause of nti no so you baka deliberately setting fire into somebody's property. And ebi oha yani electrical equipment so na ze use in ofien fan also those do for some hours ebi enyi ho also dey dum no the fan is still on every day. TV also dey every day dum no the TV will be on until the next day so sorry na rehwe dama. There are some gadgets they were not meant for prolonged usage. Beat the fridge day is it? I don't know. It can be allowed. But when you have your fridge guard exam and another step down, another any device or protector now or your good. And so whenever there is any excess current or your fridge guard no obeje. And to say you tell me no fridge or new fridge guard, but more than they being inside and as see. And now other number be here yerda is ben sijado yeri free na yakada. And fa ada ba hwa na dem wo hina ya ngusu e bo sorry na wo kitchen here agye dem a ba ba show ware park ho. All these things are the some of the things that we do are than cause fire. Bebre yakada ya boba the yan cry.
Okay. Na question ba bi so ya amanfo bebre na wonte e kona ase. Enfan the emergency bi esi eja ato enfan the welmina bebi a wo station way. Na say bia even the ejebi ana issue bi esi Welmina junction ana Commander junction answer na obotum we do hon ibi hon also na jato baby afa for ya from one ya twana won bada yente won ka wo be no na eja no kra no wa ye azna say aba kwando na wofa otum wodu baby a eja aton in terms of time na nge kan
good okay nti da me issues yet bebre na ne hina agina nzama bido
okay
one they be able to for there. Yes, we have emergency numbers now. 192 112 or able to me afre. I don't know. And I think so no station biara or baby no one send personal numbers so until me na your numbers and coco 3 ever headquarters answer or numbers bebre UCC or numbers bebre Metro or numbers bebre. I sometimes may you in there. Public and bebre no what after 192 112 or your national emergency number.
National line. No?
Yes, it is a fray. Find it in Elmina and a fray. Find it in Elmina Junction cramp on a fray. From Hosip Koyan station home where we are. In a fray there 192 there Jato. That's called now from Accra
Street.
Fire Master Control Room. Accra no because 192 no ni receiver Bibiano Accra. I want to watch. Accra for no watch message na ewo himfa. No Elmina himfa. Elmina himfa no obaji details biara ehia osada watch biara from you. What location biara ye jiwia. And afi no Accra for mobile na wofra headquarters or Pedu Hadi Central Regional Headquarters. No I catch on there. Obi afraid and well Elmina there. Elmina ahei ijadaha ijato ha. Inti one dispatch Elmina for no than one call. Answer. Pedu for afraid Elmina for no that. You see you move. Inti say time and you pan the fray. It be crampo sometimes I fray 192 na because I don't be wofra bin into no. About me jinada chance wa pick call. Into who call what pick call my once over was information was my Cape Coast for my once over frail me no. And that time
prepare now if you want.
Yes.
Okay.
And that time into they be out and educate the public. What we tell them is that they be able to move the Bakakatibian. The first thing you need to do is to get the contact of fire service. The fire service one number, call one station, one catch one. Okay. Oh, my baha, my better half of her. But me your number na bibiani ebia metuma frɛ. Then you go to police. I don't want so want it.
Okay.
Asam say you bra na so hiamboa tam na frɛ ya no na fire for ba. Afrɛ ya na police reba. But san ya na dam binum krampo 192 na 112 no kra na wonyim. Nti asam ni sedama na wo hu mo won frɛ. To batena wa binum so obɛ wa adwene. Wan kasa wo hye wo ho do wo dum gyan. Yes. Se botum edum na dum. But in tum net na wan ko da dum na tum na. Efim bere so da fire for ye baba no. E na amfra he nentam. E na ye baba na azene hina so adan. Wa hyew. Nti one, yes nya omi na another fire station biara ben wo bia no. Nya one contact number. I'm a friend one wa ko direct mo ho wa pick no office ho.
Straight.
Yes. E office wa your baby from watch room.
Okay.
Watch room ho no. Ye wo kwafo ho what office wa de bia no wa the way na we try call no we receive. Ankota kwafo be 2 or 3 they are there. We try call no we receive. The moment I call no be na pe na wa pick. E pe mo here mo fear them referral me na office one here. Within few seconds we pick. No we be so. Which means say your friend one director obotum wa abo ma yetum ye bodum gyanan tam answer most of those CCBA no we see. But in confirm friend tam na wonyum number no so a ofra ofra 192 no so no sometimes o delay answer ye bodu ho ni hina no dan sometimes only be kan ho na sometimes e bokọ na nama no dan wa hyehye wo no na bi nso ho a mekada mekaya education bi o baby no bobo numbers no ye no obi to mekada one throw ebi nim tete ho obi antro and we send why then throw number also ni yanku bi a fire nyinti se bibi si kwampo na ofra yanku na isi Nam since ada assembly na wo yanko na frɛ no nkɔ a ebe dan wankokra so ebe dan na ohun da no ma atwe na adwena abafie ansa wo hwɛ number
but the situations are even there first na mete there nkɔfo ta frɛfrɛ online na wɔyɛ rough
prank calls
are there cases whereby the prank calls no ba wo ignore na call no ba wo fansa na we hu there onye call papa oje bibia nso ye onye
yes enti ebi o ho a offer ye na ntam na ebo hu da prank call
oh okay
offer ye na se na asem oboka fire ahimfa eja tomanum ebi tum ka cho eja tomanum oh ebi so fire medidi ma brenta merda and there some funny into that time now was the numbers and the rough no obi so fra ohia emergency ankasa and I then a wasting the time. I remember there was one and impan frey offer no you hundo a prank call you waste fuel you two car you can say fuel na yes I each your bay if your friend be all through with your Kasa young you're trying to buy 1 week some strategy be na be share friend we share the bin to kishia oh ntam na ya share yes share the police from oh a call was about another shocking
next time you
it's yet one for yes one the numbers here to go no it is for emergency purposes refer for emergency
rough na why dey e Ghana for
see say you do hunt ma public no one more in there we be numbers are
public one do maybe I call me free abaro
yes
no better time I was go do
obi scratch direction ye eja to hold
it serious
yes offer no hope na ntino ontumo more direction ye
on describe a particular place ni ye
nti sometimes e bi ho fire bi ho a je the fire na aka chinchima so we huja wo baba no na bebe asho na nko fast start what to baba na nyimpo offer no ama direction ye nti these are some of the so many factors you know to happen oh yeah na traffic situation
those days you were CCTV eja to one of the communities na obi fire am there I think paid for na offer one chen nyame nyim ko one chen less than 5 minutes kwa na we do ho na we do ho no ba nyi ba ko no che wo ba campus one straight but baby obi gina no was one very close to Bossa Square na ogina ho a intum move nko one wa to wall into move nko echiwo bibia mox no wono ndichi da wasan we chi na okafa bonkus road no na wo room ansana into no simple ko timpo take one be 5 minutes or more ansana was sana wa ba gate aba for bonkus wono we room wa ba nti ga yipa na direction straighter nka wo ba ya within that less than 5 minutes nka we do ho
yes
asama na kana I think the oil no kwa pa oil kwa me hu bi pen okay nti yeah share as effector Ghana ha yana kwanin ye ebi was so na even the abura hade nko na dan message kusa so nyina nka traffic ba so for fa je kwanin nyina afa edu one taxis so gina kwa na wo fa nyimpa na wo san nyipa in case of such situations no na say issue ba how do you struggle to get there ebe effect na woni dwumazido
good nti traffic situations na road network na azin na no or effect won yane ya na edwuma ndo bebre in terms of time also there as they arrive at the scene one say fire service CCR they jato ofia na bebia the moment you receive a call na nyimpa oje wo details ni we na there's siren or hobobo or press down obia at there is fire straight away no we move our appliance ni nti motuma catch there say jeto obi ni fie na so for fire on taking in 1 minute you find a quarter 1 minute we leave the scene
okay
anya 1 minute na yefi station wo nti yendu more than a minute crampo at the station na yetu na yerba na
because team na mpo na every time we ready to move
nti sometimes we won there bia what na appliance no ho wo to dam another way bibi is something to engage them
Yeah.
Because edwuma no ho wants the mountain in there say jantaya wonko baby and he said why the not says that you as part of your training yes say do something to engage yourself obama bia obi na yanka ho na za say jababa na bia nimpa no nwa ho another baby nti want to carts want to drafts some indoor games around eko some standard fire stations your volleyball court na din na ho a wobo abrochi na no kaka wana azin they have kitchens how you needs ban bibia ho just to keep them there into that fire station bi na kwto there the mazi ho the minute now you move na here kwa now road kwana ye fodi ona na obi anso fodi bi traffic is here na ye fire it doesn't mean that ye fire for no we are not bound by the traffic regulations.
Okay,
so traffic regulation friend okanyana no matter who you are if you frown on that you can be penalized another bottom driver
okay
but there is the sari no see that let obi there there is emergency into my yankwan say sari na say nyimpa na ankasa ye ho na okada onam lane nto ankasa ho challenge ne bi
okay.
We are every traffic regulation biano or say you are obey but brand now so am there when they give you a passenger other drivers na the way in they give you passage that kwa even if there is a traffic light or was crampona you can still go
okay
but brand so no or say yanel ko na bi na yanye ne ya no so no tuma affect him. Our drivers are very careful whenever they are driving on these roads.
Okay.
Sometimes if you are emergency na card when you ma eba be no go no don kasa ho. Ina no so do when kwa no rekọ.
What is siren pa?
It is siren now so
fire so ambulance so
park. Because it could be the one so if you put na show.
Abran ya wempo.
But obi better siren do si do na still or card yana appliance na nyuma on makwan obi nso ho a akwana baby fire service yenyim da osade ye kafa won ebekọ na traffic wo ma today abra first na mancha oti ebodu ho na ncha osade moving na cars bebre ya park ha you turn azo ha yes yana ma menum na azo e do market na azo bebre wo turn azo kwa ho catch on the mover. Yeah, family. Yes, yeah, your family. But I can't watch no. Any car can bump into you no way. Inti, yeah, they answer there. Nancy, why are them decongestion na there or Kwanwa? What's another? I was at Mamma pay her Abrams. What? Abrani?
I want to put a crabber. You penina few. One chebia na
your best round the woman was nana one sense won't go back to the line away travel won't go back line in nature. I'm a corner to my dema emergency service na zin hand ye to me then ye move. Well imagine there abra na the tankers akasi na zin na been worth for whole kuta petrol na nazi traffic bebre na zin na say bia yen send them na BBAC in this tankers. What do you think will happen?
Serious
serious dey yam kwani dem na maka bi arbas na wetum we move free fire for yan car arbas na yetum ye move free na ya dan ya kodum jan bi so wa portals na non kaka ho ye kwa car na rebom na ade yan hwe na ye krampa na crewman kra botum accident wa isi bebre portals na ade we yan fire appliances na ade bebre abofo officers bebre prepare Diana ye rescue no so no yetum we yenya dami accident na azo sisi nti traffic issues na road networks na azanze oho him bebre we are not able to reach at the scene on time but public and ntase nyama ekodu wope na nkofa start the ototo boba
o kare enyo wa
che enyim baby wo fi no worba enyim asama osi wo konum asata ato boba agbo abana car no glass officer otim no yes dami ye chwa
What you want? Say nine there also come make them.
Yes, it's a criminal offense.
Yeah.
To attack a public officer.
Public officer.
Yes.
Especially fire for police.
Police.
When you there try.
Even if you don't want to battle too. No one you can your court about them.
Was some with them pa.
It's a fool. Yes, strong one. My mom was na there one anytime over to the fire alarm, fire a appliance or board ne siren piano. It is telling the people there help is on the way coming. And if the help is on the way, now I will block a corner into me and quiet. Okay, and time is you could do sin one either. Oh, I did. So my mom was nana and share. Ma yansi your baby.
Yeah, I think we a very big challenge pa. Now miss there ebia your other challenges as well. Our need you meaning say ebia you will still have some challenges to share. But from my Akenya.
Yes, other challenges ebia go to me Akenya. Yane hydrant issues. Oh, the hydrant ni na no ona na yetwensu yezu dumja. Eko developed countries in Asia, every 100 meters beyond, that is the standard also. Street beyond 100 meters beyond, there should be fire hydrant.
Okay.
Until fire hydrant is kwano na bibiara ama say fire for no kodum ja. Yan car no. Say your car casino so ni na ya car no ni na no offense. Ya chichema baby or why yan equipment na no go. Baby or why baby a friend foam concentrate no go.
Okay.
Yo baby yane you know machines na za yezi extrication yezi chucha cars na za yi nkofo film no rescue na za hina no ohihye nti tank anke so wo mu na nsu wo mu no ay kakra bi no hye mfimfin broni nyim there once a fire scene bi ade kodum gya no wonsu basa oyim da hydrant wo horse da twonsu wo nti no we design the car no dam nti say was it cars out of me behind na user. The motive in that ye ba fire scene de ye bodum jawa area ha baby a. Na say nsu ye be na no or say ye connect one hose yes from the hydrant na ye be ye car no. Nti ye use nsu no ye tank no mu no or ko no. Na hydrant no so fill the tank in the back. Or to me cha sa. The mean also do ye nti dam no ye show to nsu da. You go to me, you hold them jana on the you to can go baby. I can't
be a story, fire hydrant.
About one be a story. About one be a story. Oh,
that's what to go to grab all traffic lights.
Yes,
one baby. I'm there a crow, is a compartment line.
Yes.
Woman be was a shed near table, yama. Guys be winning. No, was no baby, or this no. Fire for okay, was fire for Umbula. Was fire for Umbula, na was in the university. And Tazan by Yakun. Na guys, was about there was support woman. Did you or Yakun? Na or there, paying for them. Na Asana, what I said, no woman or there was chef in the table, also quite chakra.
Even a crack, I be a crucia. Fire for Nanga's bed on an pano, I don't know why you no store A1 channel out on TV and the man be pair. Una, got to baby wabble or buttons you. It's you who may be as one there, in sooner watching or tank and a mano. In sooner Bogun and the man the waffle on tea. I know stop a fire from the more until hormone change. Even more I could draw. You see, and see, these are some of the challenges I encounter. Hydrants na za binum wosisi na zo do na because if we have constant flow of water there is no need there yaba sin yabodum jana yabaka there nsuna asen ka fa nsu baka ba ono na nkofo ntaase wo kada fire fan nsu amba fire fan nsu amba no anyeda yetuka na 15 na yaba na yefi office bear na ya nsu amba yebohwe jana oh eje wada fan pa na yenko hwehwe nsu. It doesn't make sense. The mammy he. One ya university masuma kobi. Number kade your office. Ya ndren there yen bunsungu ya no tank no. Na mom yen twa na jale to wia. Na ye tu kan there e busanfo ma yen kwane nkon hweja no wa so aye. Wia ya ko hwensi na de bodum. No. Aba fast station.
Yo, ya wa matukuru bi. What's one ben pon nsu nyu go tell us no. This one cannot be true.
Yes. Into Monsignum no Mortini. Yeah, but I find a power hole. You would do Joe and find a Messiah area hobby. Now find a power hole, a Abra market having things for her baby. And now, maybe a distance no work a crack. And the ye better ye using sinner. Nama baby no bottom woman sinner santam. One, you say you do me, you do me no pressure. And I'm Jano in Sinuka more no dumjan. Okay. Without pressure, in Sinu to Muncomo. But the more I'm a pressure no in Sinusurano more, no corner than Odu Kodumjan. And this I'm a pressure more. Nozzle no good and branch and you use Dumjano. None on the diameter to then. Also. Into say Janison. Then you use one more a number of bars, let's say you use within few minutes, the metan can no munsuno, by 5 minutes no, about Massa. It's us Sadama, or Sadaka and Sansu there or Kofon Saba. Into say hydrant in area hobby, not also do Otuka no Kobia Sipoli inside, no coffer, or cotton so hydrants more on other Sambodum Jana. I want an uncle for ban, you panabano butter, and a car of Pamusis Yai, and then in that is the challenge. The fire from the crowd burning senior. No, it means in Sinasa. Hydrant to be anyway, but to me in safe you. So the year to the call should be another hydrant or near than yes, I have a view. Near Bodum Jan. Ha, until you're there, you to call as Abba in senior cry. You're using Simuasa, and the yes, and I can for you Abba. Ha, and to them knows there, public on the task. It's not like fire farm Vinzamba. And now. Another challenge is to say away yen media a why would animal when you do it? Yes, I could the scene war. First person walk beside a summon. Now, baby, and I knew who been a summon. And now, first question fire from our bantama. Fire from one bantam. Question what do you expect from the person? Yes, fire from one bantam. And now. Yes, fire farm. When you ask these questions, Obi only who are an eyewitness. What would the person say? In some degree, that was another fire outbreak. I cry was a fire from the crowd burn and a tank no petrol, no gums, Sulu da out or more. It's a fire from the washer down was petrol was a one container in was Abba. Yes, that's what. Yes, you get to fear. You get to fear frustration, food and number being sometimes you want somewhere to vent your anger. Auntie, no, go post the phone pop, but okay, yes, not some after fire one back, and a meanwhile, maybe a fireman, maybe at that time on your duty. Serious. But you're finding 05082068460 05082068460. Go to our friend Bisa officer waha bisa the question be we here papa as be ochire wadwe no ebotum adjoin nkomojetwe na onche bia ye boso na Ebisa na ya hwe na ya kwenyim ye hwe what do you expect from the public timamufo ya na fameze ma wo expect that yenso ye beye is abo madwumezi no wetum akodoma yen mum ya benefit more good enti for what yes fire safety is a shared responsibility. Say, Eja bottle in Efifia first, on ya Udumjani not to Jan. I want to Jano. It is a wow on the Mabina, so bottom ama a cot to Jamawa show Wufia. And Branassi, or Sadina fire extinguishers Nazo Wufi. In number bottoms there as I saw Janano, I'm a janitor, a dominant tamans a fire for crying do her. Ha, I was so as a day, Yan. Nti say wase dey osede na sa wan ye woze na man dwen do dum jafo no 100% no botum wa solve the problem because one you just to fie na within 3 minutes and man so na you just start to spread from all for them go hina no or bo me just spread more fire food by the time e be call na no nkaka ho a ye botu efi bebe ye wo ha ye baba wo bebe awo no na ija no wan ya wo TV call wo fridge wa half abaka say there sense ko to tell them me foforo but say to fire extinguisher na obawu dem ho ana wo fie ho na asam ne si na ye ntam na use ya nche bodum jana ansa dum jafo ne hian so ye bodu ho a ye botum ya ye na mbo za abobo ma aze no why that wan kama wo ho na ye bebre nti you have to play your role as individuals
as a citizen
good citizen as good citizen
article 41
yes
okasa fa obi a oye omamba pa nyo nto mamba pa wona asanza osodo ye ebi nda bobo fire from a wezi wonu dwumazima wa boye ntimomfo ne mum ankasa
good nti yam play your role na yentum yenya dam fire equipment imagine do be asidan or you see millions of cities no they asidan na wi na akacha ndo fire extinguisher fancy wo ebio ekuta 400 500 cities obey fire extinguisher on top bi no fancy if you na bibi so we use on the ohudo no expensive yes but asidan millions
of cities is asidan no
yes obi atoka
Ghana cities is asidan
obi atoka akoto wo Honda CHR akoto wo Land Cruiser na no kaka ho to fire extinguisher fotum ama say ayekwa na nam kwando na BBC na wo car no bonnet just start the smoke started off merba ebotum eyi na ayedan azedum no ono no hu da ono ya azosum te nto it means you are not playing your role
as a citizen
so you get to work on yes as a citizen so you get to work on na say a fire for by the time a fire for you bodu na car ni na show on the I bet you don't expect that you call fire service and you ba work on na jatom no you be saving in time it is only when you are closer to us na able to me save car no car out in there all the flammable all the fuels in here no exist in a car you can solid fuels into seat car on seat na here solid materials you just from about na yaka liquid fuel no so no e bi wom bi petrol no wom no now say petrol wo car no na eja atom na imagine na eja na so petrol no ma car na hwa ba da obada won tam wa yentam a show seat ni bibia npa ansa fire for edu ho ba se kita fire extinguisher na asam de si na ntantam na egbe wabo yi extinguisher na ezikodum jana nche be say bu car say bu wan so wuska bibia but we don't do that yes wrong na I members if you are using a car but most and dey fire extinguishers atom ama BBC to my then use answer fire for crab baba we tumu aba last video bi am hwe nyimpa na car show na ho mo ye why frustrated waka kwanum na now individual media journalist awaba obi atwe no phone na wo record instead of that wo bofra fire for no obi a record no obi anyim fire normal yeah was a 112 say one was a one down the number no kra no emergency code no kra won kai na nyimpa no nam hoda ma na brand new car ni na show nyimpa ni fire number on top fire extinguisher onye hwe nti car na eja atom no ebesi na edu
oya so
ba nyam nso ma bia fire for so obi na oku otika bi na ohun ni na bia ofra fire for da wo mre na wo ba ya fire fan bantemo na waye
so we gina
wa record to social media na ahroba on san fata na wo station ahroba wa nyimpa no so yan mpo na ofra fire nti yesra na that is your responsibility. Your mom wasn't able to me either. Na oboboma yetumi saving any properties.
Damna ati oboboma yetumi saving any properties ntama ya boye jepaze eho ba. Officer ya bossar ya ba peda for na ya discuss fire in the home. And sorry, what's the safety in the home?
Yes.
In your on the emotion any fie kone be for the boy any fie home ban baby ye adwuma na e bia market areas baby a dom and you go dom bia no ni nyina ye baba na ya be discuss ntino at the appropriate time no so ye baba on another forum na ya discuss that issue. But in the meantime ahana ezi bibia be sinti ye pede e man onsama oziwi na as numbers so is that to ga na mo ba ya bibinya na nkofo wetu wa Fred direct instead of there we were Fred mo wa concrete ansana waba regional office ansa waba oye wana soye.
Okay. Nti me final am is about to go in there. It's for what him odumja for yawo amani mu hinano. We are ever ready and prepared to save our communities. Ya ready pa there about ya baji and man efi any fire outbreaks biaro. But one son so was says also there oman ba pa nti na me resonating ahem bion. So there make sure that most of that also here there ebobo ma wo property another wo ejapazi bia woni jankotom no so there then ehwe na and afin so no yene men jumeze yezi yes understanding the work of the Ghana National Fire Service ya chacho ndema bebre fire ebia so wo ba bi krampa epedobo join ni bia sisi ya chacho mesma fire humanity nse wo ba no kaya accounting krampa na otumba fire ema yenye to accounting department wo ba no ko school na ebia kaya kosia driving or driving license yetum yafan mobile fire motum be driver wo ba no kaya electrician na yetum yafan wo ba no kaya nurse na yetum yafan emo yane paramedics na aza wo yane training schools na aza no eko hobby wo ba no kaya lawyer fire for yafan mo ko yan legal department ko bo ma yane mbra na aza ye use no so no wo hwe na yedan wo zi hodwuma nti ya chacho ndama bebre asonso ya chacho there ebe fire service anyenye hina ye ho ni hina na yedumja ya chiche ye mu obi anyimje dum but ya chiche ye mu da ma obaya adwuma bi nso ho a ebinum so beye ye wo operational men ahon no wodumja no ho na de bi aye koto on there what na pad ho what na car no ho wo twan de jababa no one every day bi awo ho yedumja ye njiska yedum no wi a ye free yanjo hwe abanu tia henka nti da mi na ye kacha on there fire service ye djuma is a noble profession tam de bi amaka there fire service is a profession for the professionals yes any profession biara epedable join the fire service we need you when you come we groom you to become a firefighter to save your communities and nti me any one akan na I hope there what ye ndwumazi bia yezase na dami obobo ma de bia na ahroba na aza wozi share fire for na no na ze ya tumbo fire for no obobo ma no de twa ntete ma I think you should be the first point of able to asesa wadwe na as asesa bi no so na adwene fire for no da na asi
na numbers
numbers no onam da yewo pahanti mama hon pedu number ha
okay
and your pedu number no 020
okay
53 88 644
okay
masana button bio 020 53 88 644 and your only number maziba mada bibianya bottom right and wafre
okay only a period but say other areas so bottom as account
okay
because elimina for so kaso for nyina wonenwa buyendo nti
monfa elmina zenso enfama na yenhwe nti elmina nso no ye 020 53 88 662
okay
020 53 88 662 yawo another 029 171 yes maka 029 oya papa
okay
029 171 3184 on ya Elmina
029
171 31
okay
84
84
and your last one so 029 029 another 9
okay
34 10 48
okay numbers amanfo botum wafre na hobia odan woni nyimbia fanfa ya dwumezi hu bia no e botum afre na ezato nyim ono obaje wodon tamtam na wabomosna wayemwa
Yes.
na mum so a yere fra tena ma yakan me nkonka frank cran oka fra 192
Yes.
ono bokon cran street call center bokon cran call center okwa wa direct the yenya issue was central region nti wa direct call na ma central region fo nti wa regional office asana so ye elimina wa fra elimina fo so ye ebia wo abra area ho wa fra paid fo ma wa be show kotokraba area fo so a wa fra wona wo kotokraba nti oda bomos na hu de bebia wo bia no o se de enya fire fo one number o woda mo bro no ama se bibinya abomos na afrent fire fo police na ambulance ze oda yin na ye bomos na one numbers no o ye ntrim nti bibia nya se onya wo mpo na to ye nchem ato a o ye wunua bia obe no wa na afre won amanyi pakon because obi ho asam na esi na wa ye confused onyim mpo de odo fra fire fo aha nta wo babam na etum afre as a boy nipa ko na wetum aba na wa ba nipa na adom ama ne japaze ansai owi so za ahya fire fo na fire fo na wa me ne japaze asai nso wa so na one from one time yo ebuso yensa ka oye assistant division officer 1 nyo Albert CUDJOE oye senior fire safety officer wo Elmina obese wo Elmina ane na nyumbri wa na adom wa kansa mo ya twonko mo ache fire fo dwumazi potia wozi na dama ya aka no mrebi wo so ebefa na ya fa particular issue bi to the fire another safety in the home na domestic fires na azno no so ya hwe na ya twonko no wa che nyema bebre odu bebi so a awa bebi a wo bia no botum onye na book appointment na wa ba training na ama won aha wa che nkora bo fada wo bodum ja problem bi obebia no obo fada wo botum wa solve mpo ndi nyema bi wo mpo o here obo fra fire fo nwa atime mfuna obotum waso ano ne da minyina no otum wo kire nti aya wo mozin
even wa wo fi krampo na wo mba bia pada ebusani na wo hia na fire fo nyi wo bezin komo a we are there
no so obotum aba na aboboa asori nyina o hia won service a won frɛ na baba na wabɛyɛ nkyɛkyɛ no ɔzama nti nyame adoma ajuda ebesa so yehia na enyi ebusia kufoforo ya twon komo e Kasa dumezi mizenzi dani abawana yakopɔ ya adoma juda ebesa so yehia ya kra won on baba ye don rasbe bree oh